we go. First time in Mexico.
Eating Mexican baguette.
Mexican baguette.
Hey guys.
Wagwan, what's up?
Welcome back to the Delport family. So in today's vlog, we are carrying you along with us. So we went to Cozumel, Mexico.
Yep.
And at this particular point, we're exploring the Cozumel town.
Alright, so we came to buy a memory card. So 64 gigabytes is 588 pesos. That would convert to what? Based on this shop's conversion, is what? 33.60 US dollars.
$17.5 conversion rate.
Alright, so this is a memory card. So we gave her 34 US dollars, and this is the change we get, local currency change.
1 peso, 5 pesos.
7 pesos change. Mexican pesos, eh?
Yeah. It's
But when we have some of the cold front, 2 days, sometimes 3 days, the weather change, and also this is what we have now, the north wind. That's why the water in this part of the island is very choppy, because normally we have the winds from the east.
So at this point, guys, we are heading to the Punta Morena beach, and we're getting a historic view from our tour guide Moy. It was very interesting. We learned a lot about Mexico. So Mexico.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was telling us a lot about, you know, the town, you know, what's the weather like. It was a cold day for us, for Jamaican standards.
Yeah, you know, don't get hot. And although these other countries are tropical, boy, they ain't that, it's not as hot as Jamaica. Trust me, they are cold compared to Jamaica. But it was a good day.
Mixing or sipping tequila. Now my favorites, these two are top sellers, tequila and top shelf. You can see the color how it's getting darker. More time into the barrel. This is 12 years inside the whiskey barrels. If you like whiskey and tequila, you're going to love my tequila only for sipping. And tequila for me, myself, and I. This is 18 years inside the French barrel, wine barrels. These ones are more mellow, more smoother. Put them in your mouth, swish it around your mouth, size to size, and you're enjoying the lucky taste. I'm going to start with something really special, my top shelf. Why? When you normally go any tasting of wine, champagne, tequila, you name it, you always start with the youngest one. After 3 or 4 shots, everything tastes the same, and besides you're drunk. So I like to taste something different at the first taste. That's why I start with my top shelf. Who's driving? Right? Drivers get double shot. That's what I'm asking.
I'm driving.
It's nice you can share. I know, they're expensive.
Oh, I have an extra bottle down here.
I'll give you the prices in a minute.
You want to taste one?
I did ones.
No?
We have a special sauce. I did one. These ones, the regular price is $269. But we have it on sale. Tequila back over there? Yes? No? So? Maybe so?
It's nice of you to share.
Nice.
Okay. This one is like a butterscotch, like a good bourbon.
Nice one. Smooth. Smooth.
Don't worry about the price.
I need to get you drunk first. I will show you a good taste, a good trick. How to find out how good your tequila is before and after you drink it. The toast we say, arriba,
Arriba.
abajo,
Ah.
al centro,
Al centro.
para adentro.
Valento.
We triple distill. When you distill in 3 times, you got quality of tequila. I'm going to tell the whole group to come here next week. Yeah. Okay, prices I will give you after we get drunk, don't worry. Amigos, for this one we're going to say, I'm not chicken. I'm not shy. I drink tequila. Hey, coochie coochie every night. Coochie every night. Salad. How was it? Good tasting, right? Now we're going to have chocolate. Chocolate. Natural chocolate.
What you like?
I don't know.
Fish tacos. Fish tacos. It's going to be the shrimp cocktail. Baguette.
Here, right here.
Thank you. And the enchilada?
Enchilada. It's a enchilada.
The red one? We asked for the red one?
It's a green.
No, red. Red. We are red. We are red.
It's a green.
No. No.
What is that?
So the guy messed up the order. We ordered a red enchilada. He brought green. So he's gonna get that replaced. So in the meantime, we will share this. We will have this together. So what is this?
Fish tacos, rice, beans, avocado,
Avocados, yes.
shrimp cocktail, garnished with lime, onion, and cilantro,
Okay.
and chips,
More chips. Yeah.
and hot sauce.
Good hot sauce. And our baguette. Pending our enchilada. The hot sauce.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What do you think about the hot sauce?
Nice flavor.
Yeah, spicy.
Is it good? Is that about it? No.
Must be very high.
Baguette, right? Baguette. We're going to the baguette right now. So we're going to place baguette here, you know? I don't know the proper way to eat a baguette. I don't know ketchup or no ketchup, but I'm putting some ketchup.
You can put hot sauce.
Kind of nippy. I want to try it without it. Here we go. First time in Mexico.
Eating Mexican baguette.
Mexican baguette.
How is it?
Very crispy. Very good. It's like grilled chicken. Grilled chicken slices. Very, very good.
Really? So much hot sauce?
It doesn't run out. I'm dead now.
Alright, try the hot sauce. Let's see how it tastes.
So she's adding black bean sauce on rice, you know? Can't wait to taste it. Ready? How was that? We got rice. We got black bean sauce. Here we go. Oh God, messy. Guacamole. You look like guac.
He has a 8-year-old.
8-year-old?
Yeah. He's very friendly.
So you wanna, you wanna pet him?
You want the photo together?
Yeah, they're everywhere in Florida.
Okay, right here.
Oh my God, Chance. Poor animal. He probably wants to go up in that tree.
What's he doing?
He left alone.
That calm him down?
Relax.
Smile. All right, I got it.
Thank you, Anita.
Round.
Wow, it's very hard. It's like scales. Scaly.